Okay, here is part 2 of downloading GMetrix onto your computer. So after you've signed in, you've clicked the link to download the program. It will pop up in the bottom left corner of your browser. Once it's finished downloading, you're going to click on that, and then it will be walking you through some steps to install the program on your computer. So you will click on that link in the bottom left corner. The setup wizard will come up. You'll click next, accept the license agreement, and hit next. And then just go ahead and choose the typical setting, and then click install. And then click yes. Once that has finished, all you have to do is click finish. And then if I minimize this screen, GMetrix should show up on your desktop. You can click on that link. And as long as you have a version of Office that was suggested in the email that was sent out, if you're not sure, you can click here and it will tell you what version of Office is right there, so you will automatically know this is the right one. And then you can sign in from here. And you should be either able to pick up where you left off in class or begin a new test, just like you did in class. Remember that you're doing skill reviews first, training mode, then testing mode, and then start on the practice exams.